What is going on, guys? Adventures with J.Taylor more. I am doing one of the days. This is either 4 or 5. I'm delayed in whenever I'm posting these videos. So either way, basically what I'm doing is in the attic. So one thing that also came up on the inspection report was that the previous owner had a bunch of crap up in the attic. So we're the owner, and we've never lived here because we renovated this house. So I didn't even know that all this stuff was up here. And so I came up here, cleaned it all out. But one tip, if you go to list a home, is that I think it gives the inspector kind of a bad feel. Whenever he opens up, everything looks perfect except he opens up and finds something like this. And one thing that I know from doing inspections myself with my prior company is that once you kind of have a gut feeling of something being covered up, whether or not it is, it's the perception that you leave behind whenever you do that. And so a lot of people flip fast, and this was a faster flip for us, but this was just completely overlooked. I didn't even think about it because whenever we bought the home from the other people, we gave them a 10 to 15 day lease back, and we told them that in that agreement they needed to get everything out of the house. The house was for the most part empty, and so we just kind of trusted it. So I should have definitely hopped up in here and double checked this again to make sure all this was gone, but we didn't, and we had to do that afterwards. So just cleared all this out. Here's all the piles and piles of junk. One thing I did find that is really cool is 2 hockey sticks. How about I hopped down out of the attic to show you these cool hockey sticks. Sometimes you find some cool stuff. And they're both right-handed hockey sticks, which is pretty cool because I'm right-handed. Yo, that was not very fun. It's messing up my man bun. That is not all the trash. I got a bunch of trash in my van. I got a dumpster at one of my other properties that I'm about to go dump some of these out at, and then I'll just get the rest tomorrow. It's weird how interesting you get in other people's crap, though, that's for sure. But anyways, all right, so more of the story. Clean out the attic whenever you have your crew there. It's a whole lot easier, and it prevents you having to go back and kind of be embarrassed whenever the inspector posts a bunch of photos of a dirty attic. So anyways, all right, see you next time. Go ahead and subscribe for me just to see what we're doing on a daily basis. 75 days, this is day 4 or 5. Sorry I'm not confirmed yet, but my postings are kind of off track. But anyways, subscribe for me. Everything having to do with flipping houses, building our business, and the little things along the way. All right, see ya.